Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're doing another kind of an unboxing from Potty Pack, and this is their tick removal kit. This is made in the USA. It's veteran owned, and the price of this is $4. And what you get on here is to prevent insect repellent. You get fine tip tweezers, antiseptic wipes, bandage, resealable bag, keep tick in case for symptoms. So. This is really great. I have some friends who actually do some locating, and they're walking through heavy grass and weeds and brush and stuff. And I told him about this. He says he definitely is gonna. I got some extra ones I'm gonna give him. So start out here. Here's the repellent, some tweezers, then a bandage, and then I left one more thing in here. Then the wipes. And then here's the bag for the tick. Once you get it, you pluck it, put it in the bag. So in case you have to go to the hospital, so you kind of let them, so they can kind of see it depending on where you're at in the world. But for this being $4, especially if you're camping or hiking, or if you're out doing locating, for the private sector or for public or whatever, having one of these in your trucks is a great thing because you never know. And also too, you also can use these for your pets too, just in case if you see one on there, this is good for them too. So it's not just for humans, but also for your dog. So keep that in mind. So for $4, this is a great, it's a one-time use with the bag and everything else. But, there's also little tricks of the trades out there that you could have to help stop the ticks from getting to your pants, which is people say roll your pants up and put duct tape on there on the outside. That's one way to stop them. But having this little kit is something I think is perfect to have for any situation. So once again, thank you to Potty Pack for sending me this tick kit, and I'm really liking it. I can't wait to give it to a few of my friends who are out in the woods and stuff, or with their jobs. So thank you so much. So write down in the comments what you guys think of this little kit. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.